Day 4. So I decided to put a patch in my eye this morning because it's really irritated already yung right eye ko, and it's tired already, so I'm giving my right eye a rest. Still, I'm having this weakness, same as to my eye. It's every time I open this one, talagang makulit ito na this I would really want to open. So I put a tape inside. So I will show you. Yan, I put tape on it para di na siya sumara, pero makita mo itong muscle na to. Ito yung part na talagang nagpo-voluntary open, so I can see the opening there. So kailangan pala na overlap ko siya para dapat pala na tape ko yung part na yun, kasi talagang sumisilip siya. So kailangan siya ma-close para mag-rest naman siya. Pero I still can feel na nag-open siya. So what I'll do, revise natin yung tape. Medyo masakit yung tape in fairness. Revise. So what I'm gonna do is to put the tape from here to here, yung muscle niya. Aray. Tapos ito dapat ganyan. Para hindi na siya mag-effort. Kasi mamaya na lang kami mag-exercise. Ayan. So, pag restin ko muna si right eye, ayan, I can feel na hindi na siya. Pero really, he's trying to make an effort. I can feel it every time I open my eyes. I can feel na gusto niya talaga mag-effort bumuka. So, ganyan. Hinigpitan ko siya, the patch ay para ma-push talaga siya na hindi siya bumuka. Ayan. So, ayan. Massage. Cheer up, Lay. You can do it.